Hello, friends. Class 6th Social Science History, Chapter 5 Kingdoms, Kings, and an Early Republic. Question 1. State true or false. A. Rajas who led the Ashwamedha horse passed through their lands were invited to the sacrifice. A. It's true. I'm explaining more why it is true. If you are interested, you can read and listen. The Rajas who allowed the Ashwamedha hordes to pass it meant that they accepted that the Raja who wanted to perform the sacrifice was stronger than them. These Rajas were then These rajas were then invited to the sacrifice. अब हम इसको हिंदी में भी समझ लेते हैं। चैप्टर अध्याय 5 में राज्य, राजा और एक प्राचीन गण राज्य। सही या गलत बताओ। जो पहला हमने इंग्लिश में आपने समझा है उसको हिंदी में देख लेते हैं। अश्वमेघ के घोड़े को अपने राज्य से गुजरने की छूट देने वाले राजाओं को यज्ञ में आमंत्रित किया जाता था। ये पॉइंट सही है। नाउ बी, द कैरोइटर स्प्रिंकल्ड सेक्रेड वाटर ऑन द किंग। फॉल्स। कौन स्प्रिंकल करता था? प्रीस्ट डू दिस। प्रीस्ट करते हैं। राजा के ऊपर सारथी पवित्र जल का छिड़काव करता था। गलत। सी, archaeologists have found palaces in the settlement of the Janpadas. False. Archaeologists found that people lived in huts and kept cattle as well in many settlements of the Janpadas. पुरातत्वविदों को जनपदों की बस्तियों में महल मिले हैं। गलत। डी, pots to store grain were made out of painted grey ware. True. Some of the earthen pots that would have been used to store grains were painted grey. चित्रित धूसर पात्रों में अनाज रखा जाता था। गलत। E, many cities in Mahajana Pandas were fortified. True. Most Mahajana Padas had a capital city. Many of these were fortified. This means that huge walls of wood, brick or stone were built around them. महाजनपदों में बहुत से नगर किलेबंद थे। सही। Question 2. Those who paid taxes. Those who paid taxes. The Raja of the Mahajanapada in the middle, then hunter-gatherers up, farmers, traders, herders, craft persons. Now I will explain you one by one. Hunter-gatherers, they had to provide forest produce such as elephants, fur and other items as a tribute to the Raja. Farmers, they gave 1/6 of the produce to the state. Traders, there were taxes on goods that were brought and sold through trade. Craft persons, taxes on crafts persons could have been in the form of labor. Herders, they paid taxes in the form of animals and animal produce. प्रश्न 2. आखेटक, संग्राहक, कृषक, व्यापारी, शिल्पकार, पशुपालक. Question 3. Who were the groups who could not participate in the assemblies of the Ganas? Women, dasas, the slaves, common कमकारास द लैंडलेस लेबरर्स। प्रश्न 3, समाज के वे कौन से समूह थे जो गणों की सभाओं में हिस्सा नहीं ले सकते थे? उत्तर, वह वर्ग जिसमें स्त्रियां, दास तथा कमनकार शामिल थे, उन्हें गणों की सभाओं में हिस्सा लेने का अधिकार नहीं था। Let's discuss question 4th. Why did the Rajas of Mahajanpadas build forts? Answer. The Rajas of Mahajanpadas built forts in order to protect their capital city and their people from attacks by other Rajas. Second point, they wanted to show how rich and powerful they were by building large, powerful, and impressive walls around their cities. Third, it was easier to control the land and the people living inside the fortified cities. प्रश्न 4, महाजनपद के राजाओं ने किले क्यों बनवाए? उत्तर, महाजनपदों के राजाओं ने बाहरी राजाओं के आक्रमण के भय से अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए किले बनवाए थे। दूसरा पॉइंट, महाजनपद के कुछ राजा समृद्धिपूर्ण और शक्तिशाली थे। इसका प्रदर्शन करने के लिए उन्होंने अपनी राजधानी के चारों तरफ ऊंची दीवार बनवा दी थी। ऐसा करने से किले के अंदर रहने वाले लोगों पर नज़र और नियंत्रण रखा जाने लगा। Question 5. In what ways are present-day elections different from the ways in which rulers were chosen in Janpadas? Answer. Present-day elections are conducted based on a democratic system in which all the citizens above 18 years have the right to vote for their favorite candidate. Second point, the candidate who wins the majority of votes become the republic leader. Third point, on the other hand, in Janpadas, there was no such system of voting. Fourth, during this period of men who performed the Ashwamedha sacrifice were chosen to be the kings. प्रश्न 5, आज के शासकों के चुनाव की प्रक्रिया जनपदों के चुनाव की प्रक्रिया से किस तरह भिन्न थी? उत्तर, आज के समय में आम जनता चुनावों के जरिए अपना प्रतिनिधि चुनती है, जबकि जनपदों में कुछ लोग यज्ञों का आयोजन करते थे, वे ही राजा बन जाते थे। प्रश्न 7, उत्तर, व्यापारी, शिल्पकार, पशुपालक। प्रश्न 8, उत्तर, स्त्रियां, दास, कमंकार। Thank you, friends. This chapter is over. Chapter 6 in next video. Thank you.